There are so many ways to make money as a music producer online. All right, so in today's video I'm going to walk you through 4 ways to make money as a music producer, and this super simple. We're gonna start right after the intro. Usually the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright, so as a music producer, you want to make a lot of money, you want to earn some money online, then you need to watch this video to the very end, because the very last point or the very last trick on the list gonna take you from $0 to almost a full-time multi-millionaire or billionaire. All right, so we're gonna start with the very first thing that you can actually do as a music producer and start making money online. All right, so first thing first, we know we are producers and we are the people who bring the music into reality. The artist will just come to studio with just the lyrics, and we are the people who gonna compose or create the beat for that artist. All right, so I believe that if you're a music producer, meaning you are insane. All right, so how can you actually make money from such creativity? The very first thing I'm gonna tell you, if you know how to make beats, if you know how to mix vocals, you can actually take people through music production, mastering, mixing of beats, mixing of vocals, and the entire music production. If you watching me, you are good in the music production, then I think you can actually start content creation. All right, so what you need to do is to pick any of the social media platforms, whether Instagram, X, Facebook, TikTok or YouTube, and start creating content. Take people through music production, how to make beats, how to mix and master beats, how to mix and master vocals, everything that you can actually teach people. And when you meet the criteria, let's take for instance YouTube, if you meet the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, the 4,000 public watch hours, your channel will be monetized and you will start earning money through ads revenue, also gain sponsorship, and there are a lot of things that you can actually do if you have a monetized YouTube channel. And even your channel need not to be monetized before you can actually make money from YouTube. All right, so even if you're a beginner but you are good in music production, teach people the right thing and people start following you with good audience, you can start promoting affiliate links. All right, so number 2 on my list, start affiliate marketing. When we talk about affiliate marketing, is we the producers redirecting our audience, the people following us to the website or any company. When they make purchase, you will earn a commission. So where did you buy your car filter, your monitors, your microphones, your audio interface? Where did you buy them? You can actually sign up with any of the affiliate marketing websites. Let's take Amazon Associates and even Beat plugins. You can actually sign up to become an affiliate and promote their product. Anytime somebody makes purchase, you will earn a commission. So this is super simple. If you want to make money, start creating YouTube channel, upload videos, teach people the music production, and when you monetize your channel, you will be making money through ads revenue, sponsorship, brand deals, and there are a lot of things that you can actually earn on YouTube. And start promoting affiliate links as a music producer and you'll be making a lot of money. Let's move on to the next on my list, how to make money as a music producer. By the way, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, give the video a like if you are watching me. The name is Gosa, so make sure you subscribe to join this community. I take you through the music production, the tricks, free plugin. This is the only channel you're gonna get this. All right, so let's move on to the next thing that you can do and start making money as a music producer. All right, so as a music producer, the next thing that you can actually do online and start earning money is to start selling your beats, sample case online. All right, so if you make a beat or if you come out with any song, don't just put it on your computer. Just upload it to any of the website which is available for selling beats and songs. All right, and you will be making money. When you take BeatStars for instance, people are making money where you can even go to track train and you can upload your beats, and anytime somebody makes purchase, you'll be making money online whilst you are in your comfortable zone. All right, so start uploading the beats that are on your machine onto Beatstars and be making money from those beats that you are making. One thing that you can also sell your sample kits. So if you can actually come out with crazy, interesting sample kits or sample parts, you can actually sell it online, and your fellow music producers, artists will contact you and buy this sample kit from you. This super crazy. All right, moving on to the next thing that you can actually do online as a music producer. If you want me to take you through step by step how to sell your beat on Beatstars, TrackTrain, and other websites, you can actually comment in the description and I'll come back and take you through step by step. You don't need to be a guru. You don't need to be the best producer, the top producer before you can actually sell your beat. The beat that you've made, somebody might show interest in that. So just upload all your beats online and start selling them, and you'll be making money as a music producer. The next thing that you can actually do online as a music producer is to create courses and sell them. All right, so if you are a music producer, you can actually sell your courses online. All right, think of Coursera, think of Fiverr. You can actually sell those courses and people will learn from you. Just sell your courses online, take people through beat making, mastering, mixing, and trust me, you'll be making money as a music producer just sitting in your studio. You don't need to stress yourself. All right, all you need to do is to start selling the courses. All right, super simple. If you want me to take you through step by step how to sell courses, then comment in the description box and I will come back and show you step by step. Moving on to the last thing that you can actually do as a music producer. Alright, so as a music producer, I want you to pay attention here. You'll be in the studio making beats, engaging with artists. So why don't we turn the little money that we are having into sleep so that those money will be working for us whilst we are sleeping. Alright, so the very last thing that you can actually start as a music producer and be making crazy money whilst you are sleeping, start investing. Alright, so as a music producer, you need not to spend all your money. The little money that you are having, you can actually buy stocks, invest into real estate, cryptocurrencies. Alright, there are a lot of companies that you can actually put your money in, and you'll be making money through dividends or capital appreciation. So how can you actually start investing as a music producer? Then I want you to click on the link in the description box where it's gonna take you to my investment channel, where I take you through how to invest your money step by step as a music producer. Even if you are not a music producer, you can actually learn everything. If you are in Africa, Asia, US, think of worldwide, I will take you through how to invest using your smartphone and with the little money that you are having. Even with $10, I can actually show you how to become a part ownership of the Apple company, Tesla. Think of real estate without you owning a physical property. I'm going to take you through step by step. So click on the link and visit my second channel, and you can actually learn a lot of investment from me. This is super simple. This video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Till then, my name is Kosa. Go and do more music. Come back for more. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we